Have you ever wondered exactly what is the thing you need to be concentrating on if you want to start making regular money online? They say the money is in the list, then they're telling you it's video you need to be concentrating on. And Facebook, SEO, CPA, ads, Instagram, Pinterest, and the list goes on. But you know what? It's no wonder you sometimes feel overwhelmed and have no clue which way to turn. Hi, my name's Trevor Carr, and until I went full-time as an internet marketer less than 2 years ago, my life was full of stress and worry. I had to do something drastic to change my situation, and fast. So I took a huge leap of faith and went full-time into internet marketing. Fast forward to today, and for the first time in a decade, I have peace of mind and my favourite four-letter word, hope. And just in the last 5 days, I've managed to pull in an average of $1,000 a day in affiliate and vendor commissions. And what I discovered during my 2-year apprenticeship is there is a shit ton of money to be made online if you know what you're doing. And guess what? It's not one thing. It's a few. Well, in fact, it's 5. And I was blissfully unaware of the power of this until recently when my buddy Marc Gray introduced me to his secret system. I was blown away by the simplicity of this and shocked by the results he was getting. It was as if he'd built his very own ATM cash machine. Which gave me and Marc a big idea. We decided to create a brand new training course for you, in which we teach you from scratch, not the one thing you need to do, but all the things you need to do, so you can hit the ground running rather than continuously looking for the next shiny object and making zero progress. We call this the Big 5. And inside, you're going to learn everything Marc has been working on behind the scenes over the last couple of years that's almost guaranteed to get you consistent results. We're going to reveal the secret strategies that we use to powerfully leverage the 5 core parts of our business by connecting them in such a simple yet clever way, resulting in you finally receiving daily cash injections rather than staring at those dreaded zeros. We'll also teach you everything you need to do in easy to follow step-by-step videos that you'll find a breeze to follow even if you're a complete beginner or have no previous experience. Plus, you'll learn a foolproof method that will enable you to set up a cash-on-demand business that even allows you to create a passive income stream that continues to pay you regardless of what you're doing. Look at Marc. He was recently off sick for 3 weeks and the money continued to pile in. So the Big 5 is possibly the very best training course you'll ever buy. It's the most comprehensive case study packed course you've seen and will finally get you on the road to success. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some top affiliate marketers to see what they think of the Big 5. Jonas Lindgren says, I've reviewed 600 plus products in the last couple of years. I honestly think the Big 5 is the best product I've ever gone through. Balka says, after going through the Big 5, I have to say it exceeded even my already super high expectations. Samuel says, after going through the Big 5, I can confidently say this is one of the best courses I've gone through in 2018. Bobby says, Marc has now released the Big 5, which is without a doubt the best product of the year and an 11 out of 10 for me. Jono says, the Big 5 is nothing short of outstanding. These guys are true professionals and this is hands down the best thing I've seen for a long time. So you now have 2 choices. Click away from this page and go back to your endless pursuit of that special shiny object that's going to work for you and bring the cash in, or click on the buy button right now and breathe a huge sigh of relief and know that your search is finally over. Which shall it be? Go ahead, click on the buy button now, as the price is going to be going up very soon, and we'll see you on the other side.